Yo, what is up guys? I am back at it again with a brand new tutorial. Many of my subscribers have been asking for this update. So today I'm going to show you how to view any Patreon profile for absolutely free. Now this is 100% legitimate. This method is still working as of 2026. So I'm going to go ahead and take you start to finish. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and get onto your mobile device. Make sure you already have the Patreon app installed. And if you don't have it installed, you can go to the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you have that complete, we're going to need to go to our internet browser. Now this will not require a computer or anything like that. All you will need is your mobile device. We're going to go ahead and search for this website right here. It's going to be called injectapp.org. Now I've been using this site for a bit. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and just search it now. So let's go ahead and click search, and it should go ahead and show you the website right here at the very top. Make sure you select the right one. There's a lot of different random pop-up sites. You want to go ahead and select the right one right here, and there we are. So it's going to take you to the official site right now, and we're going to click the little search bar. Once you click the search bar, all you want to do is go ahead and type in Patreon. And there it is right there. That's what we're looking for. The Patreon mod. So there's going to be a few different options. We're just going to go ahead and select this one right here. No jailbreak or root required. So go ahead and click on it. And it's going to show you what device you're on and what version you're on. Looks completely correct. So we're going to go ahead and begin. And it will start downloading the modded version. Now once you guys have it on your device, it will allow you to view anybody's profile. So yeah, this app obviously is not on the official app store, so that's why we're going to have to use this website to get it. So it's going to go ahead and take you to this website where it does require you to install two plugin files. Doing this will finalize the installation onto your device. I know it's kind of annoying. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the first one, and then I'll go ahead and do the second one. So let's go ahead and do the first one right now. Just go ahead and click on it. Now they all will have different instructions. You want to click on it, click tap to install. This one wants us to search the App Store, type in Real Money Slots, install the app, and open it. So let's go ahead and click this button right here, click open. We're going to go ahead and type in Real Money Slots. So let's go ahead and type that in. Real Money Slots, there it is. And there it is right there. We've already installed it. So I'm going to go ahead and just open it. And we just completed the first one, super easy. Now, I'm done with the first one now. I'm going to go back, and we do need to complete a second one. So I'm going to go ahead and just pause the video right now and complete the second one, and I will be right back. Okay, I ended up doing this one right here called TikTok. All I needed to do was download it and open it for 30 seconds. Once you're done, go to the very bottom, and it's going to be checking if you have the plugin files installed. Once you're done with that, just go ahead and go to your home screen. If you're on an Android device, you will see a pop-up saying it's trying to install the app or whatever. But if you're on iOS, you need to go into settings right here. And then you'll see a new button that says Profile Downloaded. Click on that, and it will say install profile. We need to click install right there. It's going to ask for your passcode if you have a passcode enabled, so let's go ahead and type it in right now. Alrighty, we just entered our passcode. Click install again, and we can close out. This is what we're looking for right there, Patreon mod. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and until next time, see ya.